ships at sea never lost belief. We watched the tide roll hard beneath our feet. From Europe's ports to shores across the globe, steel and timber cut the endless foam. Years of waiting, scanning every light. Now the horns cry out into the night. And every time they sailed away alone, we counted days until they'd all come home. Boats are coming home. Down to Lisbon's burning sun, from Baltic coal to where the trade winds run. Cargo holds of story, sweaty steel. Every mile earned, every wave was real. Families waiting, standing by the quay. Hear the engines hum history, and every as boats cut in, return from distant fights. Boats are coming home. Boats are coming home. From every ocean wide, from roots we've known. Boats are coming home. Boats are coming home. Sound the horns, the fleet is coming home. Oh, tides have turned. Oh, lessons learned. Oh, across the world they've roamed. Now they're coming home. Boats are coming home. Boats are coming home. From Europe's shores to oceans far from home. Boats are coming home.